Here's the abandoned bowling alley that went out of business a few months ago. That has all the Hunter originals in there with the round globes. Again, I remember coming to this bowling alley back in the 1980s with my mother and stepfather, and the originals were in there at that time as well. The power is still on. You can see the lights are lit up. This is also right by the airport, so it's part of the queue for the Uber and Lyft drivers for the airport runs. I thought they were going to be renovating this and turn it back into a bowling alley. Can't really see much in here. Plus the light is on the phone. Yeah, I thought they were going to be renovating this until I saw something back here. Yes, my stomach basically turned upside down when I saw that. Demolition tractors. Yeah. Yeah, so I can already see what the plans are by these two demolition tractors. It says right on the tractor's demolition. My stomach turned upside down when I saw these. It's an example of corporate America destroying pretty much every small business, everything in its path. I can only assume this is just going to turn into a storage parking lot for all the rental car businesses that are around here, like which is right over there, Enterprise. So I'm assuming Enterprise bought the property here, and they're just going to tear the building down and continue their lot to store rentals, which is completely disgusting. Multi-millionaires and billionaires are what is destroying this planet, and it continues to happen, and nobody does anything about it. This would have been nice if somebody would have bought it and kept it as a bowling alley, but again, this is a victim of corporate America right here. This is going to be gone within the next few weeks, probably. It's very, very sad, and it's very disgusting. There's the update. I'll probably continue to post more updates as things happen. But for right now, the power is still connected, and there's still some light on inside because I'm here at night when I do Lyft and Uber rides from the airport. There you have it. Thanks for watching.